How to put the SSD into a GoPro Hero 4K. All right, so first things first, you can't actually put a SSD here. You can mostly use micro SD cards that can easily be placed into your GoPro. So the first thing is to get a micro SD card that is compatible. So use a high-speed micro SD card recommended for GoPro cameras. You could use something of 64 gigabytes or higher for 4K video shoots. And then simply open the side battery. So go ahead and open the side battery door, open the side compartment to access the battery and the micro card slot, and then insert the micro card here. Go ahead and insert your micro card. Once you have, go ahead and close the door after tightly to maintain its water resistance. And once you're done there, just go ahead and format the card and simply turn on your GoPro camera. All right, guys.